Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm back with the Soulmate Reads. This is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. This time I will be doing the Soulmate Read for the sign of Scorpio and Libra, as they got the second and the third highest most views in the last readings that I uploaded. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So, yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is coming up for Scorpions from their soulmate. The reading is going to be like, the format is, these three cards are going to be the current energies of your soulmate. What are they doing? What are they up to in their life? Then the next three cards are the energies of your soulmate towards you. What are they feeling? What are they thinking about you and the connection that they have with you? Then the last three cards are going to be the secret message coming from your soulmate towards you. What do they want you to know right now? So yeah, let's start with their current energies. Let's find out what is your soulmate doing right now in their life. What is up with them? Let's begin. The World, Ace of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. Your soulmate is it seems like your soulmate is kind of tired of some sort of work that they have been putting into something. It can be something related to the other areas of their life. It can be the relationship that they have with you as well. It seems like your soulmate is kind of tired. They are tired of stagnation. They are tired of putting effort and not getting the reward that they believe they deserve. And I feel like they really feel like moving out of the situation, moving out of the stagnation. They really want their life to change. They really want some big changes happening for them. They really want to experience some changes which is going to set them free from all the old karmic cycles or past cycles, pains, hurts from the past. They really want to have something new. They really want to leave behind the things that are like that they have that have basically kept them stuck and stagnant. They really want to get freedom from all those blocks. I feel like your soulmate is basically ready to take on to a new journey, new horizon. They really want to move on with their life. Your soulmate doesn't feel right to stay stuck in a situation. They really want to move on. They really want to have a new beginning. They really want to have a new journey in their life, which set them free from the past. I feel like your soulmate is pursuing some sort of passion that they have in their life. I feel like it can be something related to their work and career. It can be a passion. They really maybe they are finding a new passion in something. Maybe skills that they want to learn. They are feeling passionate to learn some skills. They might be passionate to learn something else. They might be passionate to start, like maybe going hitting the gym or something. They have found a new passion for themselves and they really want to pursue that passion. It seems like your soulmate is basically um, ready to move on. They are tired of the stagnation and they really want to move forward in their life, leaving the stagnation behind, and they really want to start a new chapter in their life. That's what they want. That's what they are planning. That's what they are doing right now. They are giving up on something. It can be you as well. For some of you, maybe your person is tired of stagnation in a connection that they have with you, and maybe they are ready to leave you behind and move forward in their life, because maybe the connection that you have with them is stagnant and they are tired of that stagnation. They really want to set themselves free from this cycle which has become vicious for them, because it has been it has been like this since forever. So they really want some movement forward, and maybe they are choosing to end this connection and move on with their life. That could be the case for some of you as well. Let's see, what are their thoughts, energies towards you right now? What are they feeling for you right now? The Fool. Okay. Two of Wands and Two of Swords. Okay, they really are indecisive about you. They are tired. Like I said, I feel like they are tired of, they feel like giving up on you now. They really need some movement forward. Really, they would love to start something new with you. They would love to have you as their sunshine. They always felt like you are the one for them, but I feel like it's like it's not moving, it's not happening. You and your soulmate is not moving the connection or taking the connection anywhere. So it seems like your soulmate is now getting it's like they are getting indecisive. They are planning to move on, and then when they think of moving on, because you are soulmates, they start feeling the pull towards you again. So it's very hard for them to make a decision to walk away from you, but at the same time they really want that freedom. They want either a new beginning with you, they really would love to start something beautiful with you, they really want to have a new journey set on a new journey with you, but at the same time they don't see things moving, they don't see things working out with you, so they are indecisive. They really need some clarity around it, around you. They really don't know what are you up to, what do you want, why don't you take this connection to the next level. They are really willing to have a new beginning with you, but at the same time they don't see any positive situation coming from your end. And I feel like they are kind of giving up on the connection that they have with you, because they don't see it working out. So I feel like they are on the verge of leaving you right now. That's what I'm picking up very strongly here. They really want to set themselves free from you and the connection that they have with you, because they feel like now it's something blocking them from having the happiness that they deserve, having the fresh beginning that they're looking forward to since forever maybe. And they really want to have some happiness in their life, which they are finding nowhere with you, because you are putting them on wait, you are putting them on hold, and they are tired of it. They have deep emotions which they are unable to share with you. They really don't know what to do with you. They are tired of putting effort into this connection. It seems like they find it to be very pretty much one-sided here, and it's like they are tired. They really think that maybe you would never be able to basically make a decision about them either, and you would never take the decision of taking this connection to the next level. They are so stuck. It seems like they are tired. They are tired of waiting for you, and you are like unable to decide about them, and they are unable to decide about you too, because it seems like you both are stuck in a situation here. You are not taking a decision towards them, they are not taking a decision towards like moving away from you. It's like you both are stuck in a way or two, and it's that's what it is. And you both need, I feel like there is going to be like it's more like both trying to end this cycle, end this stagnation in your life. Maybe they are waiting for something else to work out, you are waiting for this connection to work out, and it seems like it seems like a vicious cycle that you both have got yourself into. So it's very you both are kind of mirroring each other in a way or two, because you both are indecisive what to do and what not, because you are not taking the right decision, and they are getting tired, and they are feeling like moving on to something new, somebody new, to have a new connection with somebody new as well. But yeah, let's see what is the secret message for you now. What is your soulmate secret message? For Wands, the Tower. Here about the Justice. They really want you to they really want some unexpected changes coming in this connection. They're really looking forward to have a new beginning with you. They really want to pursue a connection. They really want to have a married life, happy home life. They really want you to know that I really wish for this. I really need this in my life. I really need to be with my husband, wife. Whenever I get back home from work, I really need my person to be by my side. And I am tired of waiting on for this to happen since forever. And it's like it's making me feel like this connection is falling apart. I don't want this connection the way it is right now. I don't want this. I don't want this toxicity. I don't want to pick up fights. I really want some peace. I really want some peace in my life where I come back home and feel relaxed. They really want you to know that they really need justice in this connection. They really feel that they deserve love. They deserve happiness. They don't deserve this traumatic situations to deal with all the time, and they are tired of it. And they really want you to know that it's high time you do justice to them, or else they are going to leave you. It seems like your person, your soulmate, is basically on the verge of leaving you right now. And it seems like they are not going to take this stagnation any further, because it seems like they are so done with it. They know that they're worth, they know that they deserve better. That's why they are asking you to do the justice to them. If they don't find the justice with you, they are not going to take this shitty attitude coming from them, coming from you to them, because I feel like they feel like you can take this connection to the next level, but you are holding yourself back for whatever reason, be that your work, be that something else. I feel like they sense that it's only you who is stopping this connection from moving forward. They are so ready, they are so prepared to have a new beginning with you, but at the same time you are not giving them what they want, what they desire in this connection. So I feel like, your soulmate is basically on the verge of leaving you now. And if you don't commit to them now, they will leave you. They will just walk out of your life because they are so tired of being on the waiting side and this connection. And they really would like you to open up about this connection and take this connection seriously and take this connection to the next level. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading coming from your soulmate. If the messages resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.